you means WhatsApp group or Facebook, Instagram, right? You have to read simply, then you can do it, right? That kind of, because in this day digital era and AI era, we don't take physical books or any kind of. You get online everything on your mobile, right? Do it. Could you repeat? Yeah, I got your point, because that is a we can improve our vocabulary, right? If we do underline any difficult words, after that we collect meaning from Google, and after that we use that vocabulary while interact with others, right? You are taking truth, but these day people, they don't want to read any physical book, right? They prefer to read in online, but whatever you are telling, I agree with your point. You are telling truth, but it is depend upon person to person. I told you earlier, right? Some people, they thought it is a physical book, how means we carry inside, then they don't do it, but that is also required, right? Physical book is a better. Physical book is a better. I don't do anything. I am unemployed. I am a language learner this day. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm here. This platform create. Okay, tell me. Okay, that is a good question for me. Why I want to enhance my English speaking? I have a short term and long term goal, and I wanna tell you short term goal. Okay, English is a acceptable language. English is a global language, and we cannot learn all state language because we are Indian, right? India is a languages country. All state have different language. We cannot learn and speak all state language, but we can learn and speak easily English. English is a acceptable language. English is a business language. English is a traveling language, right? Then it is a better if we speak English and we communicate with anyone. And English language, you can say connect with two people, two state people, two country people, right? At least as a Indian, we should learn and speak 4 5 languages, right? Yeah. Then, okay, I connect with a different platform with one person, and he told me about this platform. If you want to practice with your language, then you install that type of platform and you connect with co-learner and language learner, and it is a better for us, right? Because we know 20% required theory and 80% required practice, right? If you join any coaching center, then you get within short period, right? 2 hours, then you interact with student and teacher, right? But that is not enough for you. You cannot talk with the teacher something 2 hours, right? Tell me. Mhm. What's your question? No, I haven't joined any kind of institute, but I guess, because even though you see so many paid platform also in there, right? It that is a good platform. I'm not telling, they can guide you. They can means if you make mistake, they correct your mistake. They guide you, and they tell about everything deeply about language, right? But if, pardon, pardon. No, no, no. That platform is a Kamli application. Indian application is a, I forgot, in all type of Ask Fluency also paid. Joe Stock also paid. That is a paid platform, right? And Kamli application, if you want to connect with the foreigner, then you connect with them, right? That type of platform is a good platform. But if you don't know 20 minutes and 30 minutes, that is not enough to enhance your language, right? Then we have to, how much our practice means, at least we should practice means not only listening and speaking. We always confuse practice means listening and speaking. Practice means we have to learn how to reading. We have to learn how to writing. We have to learn how to listening. We have to learn how to speaking. That is called practice, right? Because if you don't know how to means reading, if you don't know how to writing, if you don't know how to listening, active listening and passive listening, both listening, right now we are connect each other, whatever I am telling you. Okay, active listening and passive listening, right? Right, means right now we are talking each other. If you ask me, question me, I reply you. That is a active listening, means I can hear you clearly, right? I communicate with you. If I talk with you and you never listen my words, what I tell you, what I am telling you, and you nodded your head, you only nod your head, and you never tell anything, and you listen different, you are remember different, you are thinking different. Or if I ask you, uh, tell me something about what I told you, then you cannot explain everything what I told you, right? That is a passive listening, right? Sometime what happen in Okay, why I will saying, because if you watch any YouTube video, right? Some teacher taught means online, right? You never listen carefully, and you listen in music. After that, you what he spoke about English grammar or any kind of vocabulary, but you cannot remember, you cannot recall your mind, and while talking with others, you cannot use that vocabulary, right? Then we have to means study and learn and listen properly anything as a actively, right? Then you can your brain remember that kind of vocabulary or what that person spoke about language or something. Because if you watch any tech talk, right, 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but you cannot